Another day, another video. What is up, guys? Styles here. Hope you guys are all doing well out there. So myself, hey, same as it ever was. Aside from the allergies, no real complaints. Well, one small one. 30 days, they're finally here. What are these, you may be asking? Well, you're probably not asking at all. These are Skeleton Warriors, aka Evil Army of Skeletor 2-pack. Glow in the dark. How cool is that? Skeleton figures. Now initially, I almost spent 65 bucks on these. Like, that's crazy, right? Luckily though, I held out and I searched and I searched, and then 30 days and 31 bucks later, here they are. The waiting aside, I'm happy to have these. Gonna get these out of the package and on the shelf. Not really sure where they're gonna go because I got a lot going on back there, but we'll figure it out. Oh, by the way, Big Bad Toy Store, BBTS for short, is where I got these at. If you're unfamiliar with Big Bad Toy Store, or BBTS for short, they're an online retailer and they offer $4 flat rate shipping. $4 flat rate shipping is really nice. However, the wait. So if you don't mind the wait, it's a good look. So whether you're buying one item or 1,000 items, they'll ship them to you for $4. Even better is you can accumulate the things over 90 days. So you find something today, but nothing tomorrow, or you don't get paid for like another 2 weeks. Come back, put it in the cart, let it pile up, and then send out your pile of loot for $4. And they got sales all the time. Like, the sales are awesome. I'm not sure when you'll get this video, but for Christmas, like, give them a look. Big Bad Toy Store. You can like raid their clearance section. Not paid nor sponsored, no affiliate link in this video. Come with a mini comic. It's pretty cool. Nice little artwork. Might want to blow this up as well. Make a nice canvas. What the seems to be holding in the back. Pop these out. Nice little axe. It's kind of like Man-at-Arms. Guys are cool. Same articulation. Just a lot thinner than the other ones. They use the same mold. Either get the web feet or the boot. Got a spear. Got a mace. They just recycle these. They just repaint the weapons. Same articulation, same feet. And again, these do come off. Nice little shield. Spear. Ram Man's axe. Same axe as Ram Man. Sword. You got the same mace as Pigman. Pigman's mace. Man-at-Arms axe. Evil Army of Skeletor. $31. Big Bad Toy Store. BBTS. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys continue to be kind, do the needful, and hey, see me tomorrow. Freaking 30 days. Like, that's crazy. Freaking 30 days? Like, really? This is going on the wall. Like, this is... How cool is this artwork? It's going on the wall. Like, I don't know if it's gonna be on a frame, like a frame or a canvas, but it's going on the wall. Like, how cool is that? Like, artwork's nice, bro.